Siargao. We're on our final day. We're on our final morning.
Alam mo yung mga tuyo nila dito ang tataba. I mean, may laman. Mahangin, umuulan, umaambon. Hello! Punta kami dun sa Cloud9. And Kevin are out there. Nagsisurf sila. Hindi ako nagsurf, mapapagod lang ako. Ayun lang. So, I'm just here chilling sa Cloud9 and lots of fun to see. Hindi na po sila magkanda o gaga, oh. Here's the best part.
Hoarding. Magnet hoarding.
Dahil naging mabait ka, ito para sa'yo.
Ito para doon sa magre-resign.
Bye! Bye, everyone. Bye-bye!
Stop!
The hardest part is to go home and be back to reality. Ayun na, isundo namin. Oh my God, we made it here. So, ang boarding time namin is 3:45 and then yung flight time is 4:15. So, umalis kami ng aming accommodation by 2:40. Yun, 2:40 in the afternoon. So, ang galing ni Kuya Driver. We arrived just in time. Okay, we're back here in Clark. It's 1 hour and 45 minutes na biyahe from Siargao to Clark. Sasakay pa kami ng bus to Manila.